Jen over here.
No, please don't. I don't like being photographed.
Where's that costume? With no wings. Yeah. Take a dump. Is that the Dumpty Dam?
Shaking that dunk. Bounce that ass. BDA. BDA.
I'm over here doing it. I'm like, yeah.
Get it, girl. What are you?
Sexy secretary.
But what else are you?
A referee. In Bojaligua.
No.
Oh.
Is you a Harajuku Barbie?
I'm a bad bitch. I'm a Harajuku Barbie, like Nicki Minaj's cousin. Like, if you ain't a bad bitch, you don't roll with us, son.
You don't.
That's our Harajuku white Barbie. It's looking like Nicki Minaj.